Welcome to HP Maths classes. This is Aribabu. Today we are going to learn about trigonometrical identities. To understand about the chapter, first we need to know some basic formulae. When you know this formulae, you will be able to solve any sums in the chapter. First I will write the formulae on the board. You write it down in your notebook. Then after that I will explain the few sums. Sin A equal to 1 by cosec A. Now the same formula I can write this side also. Cosec A equal to 1 by sin A. That means this cosec I have taken this side and sin I am bringing this side. Then you will get it as a reciprocal. That means we are exchanging like cross multiplication. Similarly, we can write the cos A equal to 1 by sec A. Sec A equal to 1 by cos A. So this will go other side, this will come this side. The next I will write the tan A formula. Tan A equal to sin A upon cos A, or we can write as a 1 by cot A. Similarly, cot A equal to cos A upon sin A, or 1 by tan A. Now if you notice, tan and cot is the reciprocal of this. Sin upon cos, cos upon sin. This is 1 by tan, this is 1 by cot. So these two are reciprocal we are writing, these two are the reciprocal, this we are writing like this. Now from this, you need to remember this basic formula. Then other than this, another three formulas are there. You need to remember this also. Sin square A plus cos square A equal to 1. The same formula, if they are asking us to find the sin square A. Now what I am going to do, this cos square A I will take other side. So sin square A equal to 1 minus cos square A. Similarly, cos square A formula is what? The sin square A you take other side. 1 minus sin square A. Sec square A minus tan square A equal to 1. So this also we can write minus tan square A you take other side. Sec square A equal to 1 plus tan square A. Similarly, tan square A you take other side, 1 you bring this side. So sec square A minus 1 equal to tan square A. So that means the same formula we can use it as a three different ways. Next one is cosec square A minus cot square A equal to 1. If I take this minus cot square A, then I will get it as cosec square A equal to 1 plus cot square A. So another formula is what? Cot square A equal to cosec square A minus 1. So that means the same formula, according to our convenience, we have to rotate it. So now I will explain as a few sums. I will explain the few sums. Then after that, you will be able to understand better. Now look at this one. Prove that sec A minus 1 upon sec A plus 1 is equal to 1 minus cot A cos A upon 1 plus cos A. So this question they asked in 2007 board examination. So to prove this, prove that means what? If you are taking the left hand side, we should get the right hand side result. If you take the right hand side, we should get the left hand side. Now we'll take it as a left hand side. We'll try to prove it as a right hand side. So I have taken the LHS. LHS is what? Sec A minus 1 upon sec A plus 1. Now what is the formula of sec A? 1 by cos A. Sec A formula is 1 by cos A minus 1. 1 by cos A plus 1. The next you take it as a LCM in the denominator. Here also LCM in the numerator also you can take it as a LCM. So that is what you will get 1 minus cos A upon cos A upon 1 plus cos A upon cos A. So that means what we have done here, we have taken the LCM. LCM is the cos A. Cos A multiplied by 1, 1 minus cos A. Here also we have taken the LCM, 1 plus cos A. Cos A will get the cancellation. Now what is remaining here? 1 minus cos A upon 1 plus cos A. So this is the right hand side result. Therefore, LHS equal to RHS. So how many steps we have written? 1, 2, 3 steps. 3 marks. Look at the next one. Prove that 1 minus tan A whole square plus 1 plus tan A whole square equal to 2sec square. So now when we simplify the left hand side, we should get the right hand side. Now in this case, always you should take the left hand side, because by using the sec square getting us this result is difficult. So that is the reason you take it as the left hand side. So this one we can solve it in the 2 ways. One is a minus b whole square plus a plus b whole square. What is the formula? 2 multiplied by a square plus b square. If you don't know that formula, then you can expand it like a minus b whole square plus a plus b whole square. Now take it as a left hand side. 1 plus tan square a minus 2 tan a. So 1 plus tan square a minus 2 tan square a. This is what? A square plus b square minus 2ab. Now similarly, 1 plus tan square a plus 2 tan a. This is look like a plus b whole square formula. 2 tan a, 2 tan a, I will make the cancellation. 1 plus 1, you will get the 2. Tan square a plus tan square a, 2 tan square a. In the denominator, in the both the things, I can take 2 is the common out. 1 plus tan square a. 1 plus tan square a is what? Sec square a. Therefore, LHS equal to RHS. So how did you get this one? I will just show you as a formula. Sec square a minus tan square a equal to 1. This is the formula we are familiar. Minus tan square a, take other side. Sec square a equal to 1 plus tan square a. 1 plus tan square a. So here, instead of 1 plus tan square a, I wrote the sec square a. 1 plus tan square a, replacing with the sec square a. That is the right hand side result. Now here also we are writing as a 3 steps. So in this chapter you need to remember maximum 3 or 4 steps you will be able to solve the sums. But it is very easy when you remember the formula. 1 upon sec a plus tan a equal to sec a minus tan a. Now if you notice the left hand side and right hand side, the middle side is changed. Middle side is changed, the reciprocal we can see. So now what I am going to do, I will take it as a left hand side. 1 upon sec a plus tan a. 1 upon sec a plus tan a. Rationalize the denominator. Rationalize the denominator means what? Whatever the sign is there in the middle, when it is the 2 terms are there, whatever the sign is there, you write it as opposite. That is, we can write the sec a minus tan a. So when I cancel both the numerator and denominator, the original term is going to remain same. Now make the simplification. Sec a minus tan a. 1 multiplied by sec a minus tan a will get the sec a minus tan a. Look at the denominator. Sec a plus tan a multiplied by sec a minus tan a. It is look like a plus b multiplied by a minus b. So what is the formula of a plus b multiplied by a minus b? That is, we can write the a square minus b square. A square minus b square. A is the sec, b is the tan. It is look like a plus b multiplied by a minus b, a square minus b square. This is the direct formula. Sec square a minus tan square a, the value is the 1. So I can write the sec a minus tan a. So the reason is what? Sec square a minus tan square a equal to 1. This is the direct formula. So sec a minus tan a divided by 1 is sec a minus tan a. This is the right hand side. Therefore, LHS equal to RHS. I hope you understood.